Okay, so we talked about corresponding. Now let's talk about alternate interior. Alternate interior are on the inside of the two lines that are crossed by the transversal, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal. So inside the two lines on opposite sides of the transversal. Okay, so then if I'm looking at this diagram again, I know that angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior because they're inside lines M and N, inside M and N, and on opposite sides, opposite of line K. Okay, so then there's one other pair of alternate interior angles, and that would be angle 4 and angle 5. Okay, so notice, again, they're on opposite sides of line K and inside lines M and N. So angle 4 and angle 5, and then also angles 3 and angle 6. Okay, alternate interior. All right, let's try a separate the next one, and it's going to be alternate exterior now. Okay, alternate exterior are just like alternate interior, but notice this time it's exterior, which means they're outside the two lines and on opposite sides of the transversal. Okay, so these two are going to actually be angles 1 and 8 and angles 2 and 7. So angles 2 and 7 and angles 1 and angle 8. Oh, I forgot the angle thing. Okay, notice this time they're outside lines M and N and on opposite sides of line K. Okay, alternate exterior. All right, and then the last one we're going to talk about is consecutive interior. Okay, and consecutive interior angles are the ones that are on the inside of the two lines and on the same side of the transversal. So inside two lines, because it's interior, and on the same side as the transversal. Okay, so some examples of these ones are going to be angles 3 and 6, because they're inside M and N and on the same side of K. And then angles, 3 and 5, not 6. I apologize. Hold on. Three and 5. And 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So angles 4 and angle 6. And then angles 3 and angle 5. So inside M and N and on the same side of K. Okay. All right, so these are all of our different types of angle relationships. So the one thing that you should know is that sometimes you'll have multiple transversals crossing. So I'm going to draw a diagram with multiple transversals. Okay, and for these examples, you've got a lot of different transversals. In fact, all of these lines, M, N, J, and K, are all transversals for another pair. So M is a transversal for K and J. N is a transversal for K and J. K is a transversal for M and J is a transversal for M and N. So what I do is when I'm looking at a specific transversal, I cover the other line with my hand so that I can only see the angles that are represented by one of those drawings. Yeah, okay. If you need more help, let me know.